Welcome to One Jamaica TV. This is the place of choice for all who love this country and want to see the nation succeed.
You have blamed the current Jamaican government for corruption, which has led to current problems in Jamaica. Please elaborate more on what you mean exactly. What is your plan to clean the country from that government and backdoor deals? How do you keep yourself from being corrupted?
Okay, that's a very, very loaded question, but let's take it piece by piece. First of all, I have not blamed the government for corruption. I have simply taken the time to explain our history to us. So it's a historical fact that in the 1930s, the then media, which is the Gleaner Company, and the then plantocracy, which we'll call the PSOJ today, and the colonial parties, which you know those two parties, they colluded together, that's history, to get rid of Marcus Garvey and to get rid of the Marcus Garvey party and set up a system of corruption which has plagued us to this day. Here's how the system works. The powerful moneyed elites fund two parties and give it to the people as options. The people who are largely unaware, non-educated, think that they have real political options. They vote for these two parties, not realizing no matter which one they vote for, they're still voting for the PSOJ oligarchs. So those oligarchs have been able to get very, very filthy rich at the expense of the people. I'll give you an example. During COVID, when we were all suffering, we were all struggling, all the banks made billions of dollars. Major cruise ships could come in and do their business. The big companies could open, but the small man, the small people, they were shut down. That is a micro description of what has been happening for years in Jamaica. So I'm not blaming them. What I'm doing is helping the Jamaican people to become aware, to become informed, and to become empowered. Now, what will protect me from becoming as corrupt as them should I be elected through the UIC to become the next Prime Minister and then lead us to become a republic? The UIC is not based on empty promises. We're based on changing the system. So the moment you elect us, you're going to know if we're honoring our commitment or not. For example, the current Prime Minister, he promised you a fixed election date. He never got it. He promised job descriptions. He never got it. He promised 4% growth in 5% growth in 4 years. He never got it. So you can see clearly his failings and you can vote him out. When you elect us, you can see clearly our success and you'll choose to vote us back in.
What is your plan to clean a country that is governed by corruption and backdoor deals?
Yes. Well, the most important thing to do is to start with the top. If you get rid of those who are involved in corruption at the top, it will filter down to the bottom. There's been this ideology of trickle-down economics. Well, the truth is, instead of focusing on trickling down economics, we should have grassroots economics development and top-down attack on corruption and crime. If we ensure that we go after those at the top who are involved in corruption, you will eliminate it. Now, I'm not saying this generally. Singapore has proven this. Lee Kuan Yew in Singapore, they went after those at the top and set the example. So the people at the bottom were now afraid to engage in corruption, because if your system is so quick and so punitive in dealing with top-level corruptors, then the rest of us in society will follow suit and know that we should walk the straight and narrow.
Jamaica is extremely dependent on foreign governments. Where will you get funding to grow the economy if you were to come to power?
Well, that is a false analysis, actually. Jamaica is not heavily dependent on foreigners. Jamaica's leaders have decided to be dependent on foreign powers to direct them and guide them because they want access to free money. They want grants. They want special privileges. They're not interested in building Jamaica. Now, all the taxes that are being paid, all $900 million that we pay in taxes come from us. We the people pay it. When you see the banks having billions in profits, it's we the people who have paid it. So the money is here. The productive capacity is here. But what we have not been getting is when we pay the taxes, we don't get a clean Jamaica. We don't get a safe Jamaica. We don't get an orderly Jamaica. We don't get a police service that is well paid and well managed. We don't have teachers who are well educated and well equipped and well paid to serve us. We don't have a healthcare system that serves. So the money is coming, but somehow when it goes into the hands of our politicians, it just disappears and we don't see it in our daily lives. You don't see sidewalks that are designed for the handicap and the seniors to walk comfortably. You don't see street lights in places like Goshen and Balaclava and Silo and Braze River. You don't see community centers for children to enjoy with proper facilities. You don't see a Jamaica that shows that their leaders care about the quality of life of the people. So clearly, it's not a foreign problem we have. It's a foreign-minded problem of our leaders who fail to do the things that we need done here to enjoy the quality of life that we can enjoy in this Jamaica. If Singapore could do it, by the way, Jamaica used to be number one economically in the Caribbean. Why is it after 80 years of these two parties, we're now second to last, just ahead of Haiti? We know why Haiti is poor. We know that they're pushed by foreign powers into where they are today because they're the first to have achieved their independence. But we have no excuse because we have always had every opportunity to make Jamaica no less than Singapore, but we have chosen through our leaders to be where we are. The UIC wants to change that.
One Jamaica TV. One Jamaica TV. One Jamaica TV. One Jamaica